We've had a wild ride so far in 2020, but where does the market go from here? And although I'm suggesting everyone be cautious and stack some cash, I'm always looking for another opportunity. So in times like these, the investing greats can serve as a good source of ideas. In this case, billionaire Israel Izzy Englander. Englander started trading stocks when he was in high school. He began his career interning at investment firm Oppenheimer. Later, he went on to purchase a seat on the American Stock Exchange. In 1989, Englander co-founded hedge fund Millennium Management. He took a $35 million fund and turned it into over $40 billion in assets under management. His personal net worth is about $7.2 billion, so it can pay to watch when Englander makes a move. Looking at the most recent 13F filing, we find that Englander snapped up a few stocks. Focusing in on one stock, TipRank scores this stock as a strong buy. So, let's take a look. In the fight against cancer, we find Epizyme. Even though the company faces headwinds with regard to its recent product launch, several members of Wall Street believe big things are in store. And Izzy Englander must feel the same as Millennium Management purchased over 460,000 shares during the third quarter. The pandemic has limited visits to doctors and oncologists. As a result, product sales at Epizyme have been lower than expected. Despite the headwinds, sales have come close to meeting estimates and the company is gaining market share. Wedbush has reiterated an outperform rating on the stock with a $27 per share price target. Wedbush also expects the stock to climb 122% higher in the next year. Wall Street has 3 buy ratings and 1 hold rating that adds up to an overall strong buy consensus rating. The average price target is $23.25 per share, indicating good upside potential. So, is Izzy Englander right? Well, let's take a look at our charts. And we're looking here at a monthly chart on Epizyme, and the symbol is EPZM. For disclosure purposes, I do not hold any shares of Epizyme at this time. And the important things to take a look at here in the price chart, obviously, is that bottom there in 2019, but then also the cycle. Moving up and down through here, it's relatively predictive, as you can see, and it looks like it may be bottoming and basing now. But let's see what the oscillators show. Moving down here, volume looks decent, increasing all the way through here. Now down into the MACD, you really don't need me to draw the cycle, but I'll draw this upward trend line for you, moving through like that. So if we can bottom and base anywhere near the 0 line, then that's very favorable. Moving here, MAC histogram shows pretty much the same. Again, no need for me to draw the cycle in this one here. It looks like it wants to try to bottom and base here. Similar move, trend line on the way up. Into the relative strength, that also looks favorable. And then, of course, into the stochastics. Once again, you don't need me to draw the cycle. It looks like there's a bottoming and a basing here soon. Now, you're ahead of time, so this is a stock to watch. Don't do any buying until, of course, you check the fundamentals as well. Here into the Williams, a nice cycle, needs no further comment by me. Up here to the price chart, one last look. This is a stock you should keep on your calendar. It's soon going to bottom and base, in my humble opinion. Check the fundamentals and be cautious and careful. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.